right, guys, today we are recording and shooting this Chevy Tahoe here at the track at Eagle Canyon Raceway. And we're gonna do a little walkthrough about our setup here. So today we got the Tilta Hydra Alien Arm. And so when you suction cup these down with the safety thing, the test is if you can move the car while moving this. Got a good suction on there. So we're gonna come over here. You wanna make sure that when you drop it, goes 90 degrees. And then we're running also the core batteries here. So this will give us all day power. It's powering the gimbal, the camera, and the transmitter. Running the RS3 Pro with a red Komodo with the 24 to 105, the new 24 to 105 2.8. This is great for gimbal work because the lens doesn't come in and out. Great little addition. And then on the bottom, we have the Hollyland Pyro 7 system. And so that's going straight to the front of the car. It's great. And then also we have a CPL and an ND filter. So this is helping with not seeing the glass in the car, not seeing the person driving, or cutting the glass, so it's opposite. But it's a great little feature so I don't have to stack any type of filters on the lens. So we got right here, we got it on a little motor to do some zoom. We are just running autofocus right now because it's pretty basic shots, so we don't really need anyone to be pulling focus. So we have the motor on the zoom, so it gives us some more dynamic range on the shots we can get. We can get full body, we can go closer on the wheels if we need to, and just tighter shots that you usually can't get if we were just running a prime and trying to pull focus. We have it mounted to my Audi A6, and so I like this format. Nice because it makes it super easy to change this setting, this layout, to the front. So usually in about 2 minutes when we stop, we'll do a lap and we'll be able to just undo the safety strap. You have to make sure you always have a safety strap. We'll undo the safety strap, undo this, and go straight to the hood, and it makes it super simple. Less than 5 minutes, we can go from the back to the front. And then if you come over here, I will have, actually I'll have a driver, and his name is Johnny. He's in the back over there. You wanna say hi, Johnny? He is my precision driver on the track. And then I'll sit here in the passenger seat. Maybe I'll tell, this is the monitor. We got a Hollyland Pyro 7 with the transmitter underneath the Ronin. And so I use the Tilta handle with the little receiver. I get full controls right here. And so yeah, this is the camera car. That is our setup out here for today's track day shoot.